In our second set of lessons this week, we looked at the sum of the exterior angles, and we used that sum to find the measure of a specific exterior angle in a regular polygon. So let's see if we can build some information here, build some knowledge. Here I have a triangle, and you can see that we've extended the sides, and that creates an exterior angle. As you can see, the angles created by extending the sides are going to be a linear pair. So if the angle of this obtuse triangle is 100 degrees, then its supplement angle exterior will be 80 degrees. This angle would be 140 degrees, and this exterior angle would also be 140 degrees, each being a supplement to the adjacent angle. If I were to add 140 to 140 to 80, I would get 360 degrees. So the exterior angles of a triangle add to 360 degrees. Let's look at a quadrilateral. Again, as I extend the side lengths, I create linear pairs of angles. So if this angle is 90 degrees, then this angle must also be 90 degrees. This angle will be 120 degrees for the interior angle, so the exterior angle would be 60 degrees. 80 degrees implies that I have 100 degrees here, and 70 degrees implies that I've got 110 degrees exterior there. I now have 4 exterior angles that I'm going to add together. And interestingly, I get a sum of 360 degrees again. A pentagon has 5 exterior angles to go with its 5 interior angles. So we just subtract the interior angles from 180.
And I bet you will not be terribly surprised about what our sum will be when I add 75 degrees,
75 degrees, 35 degrees, 85 degrees, and 90 degrees. 10, 20, carry the 2, 36. So for my pentagon, 5 exterior angles sum to 360 degrees. Well, that could be very interesting for us because when we define a regular polygon, that means that all the side lengths are the same and all of the angle measures are the same. So I don't really need to measure these angles. I can actually figure them out by knowing how to sum the angles with the previous lesson that we did, or I can think about the exterior angles and realize that in every single case, I've added to 360 degrees. So here, I'm going to also add to 360 degrees. But now, I'm going to divide that by the number of sides that I have. And this will be the measure of an exterior angle. Before, we were given the exterior angles, and we used that to find the sum. And now, we can find the exterior angle simply by dividing 360 by the number of sides we have. So when I take 360 degrees, divide it by 6, I get a 60-degree angle on the outside. And because this is regular, all of these are 60 degrees. And that makes sense because 6 times 60 gives me that 360 degrees. But more importantly, I now know that this interior angle is 120 degrees, as are all the interior angles. And we've already seen from the previous video that a 6-sided figure has a sum of 720 degrees.